Welcome. In front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the vibration intensity on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Then press the crown button again to open the menu. And now find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings we need to find the option called sound and vibration, my bad, and tap on it. And here scroll down and find the vibration option and then tap on it, of course. And here we have 4 levels of the vibration intensity. We have low, medium, high, and none. If you select low, it will be short, and I think it's length one of them is shorter, then we have a bit longer one, and then longer and stronger. So they also differ by the strength, but not much. Okay, and of course none will disable the vibration completely. So select the one you like, and then press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the vibration intensity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.